Article 279 Calculation of net proceeds.
Article 279 Goods and Services Tax.
Article 280 Finance Commission.
Article 281 Recommendation of the Finance Commission.
Article 282 Executive of Revenues.
Article 283 Consolidated Funds.
Article 284 Custody of Deposits.
Article 285 Union State Taxation.
Article 286 Tax on the sale or purchase goods.
Article 287 Extension from tax on electricity.
Article 288 Extension from taxation by states. Article 289 Income of the state from union taxation.
Article 290 Adjustment of certain expense and pensions.
Article 298 Annual payment to Devaswam funds.
Article 291 Sum of rulers. Chapter 2 Borrowing. Article 292 Borrowing by the Government of India. Chapter 2 Borrowing. Article 293 Borrowing by states. Chapter 3 Property, Contracts, Rights, Liabilities, Obligations and Suits. Article 294 Succession to Property Assets.
Article 295 Succession to property of assets.
Article 296 Property Acquiring. Article 297 Things of value within territorial waters. Article 298 Power to carry on trade.
Article 299 Contracts.
Article 300 Suits and Proceedings. Chapter 4 Right to Property. Article 300 A property is by authority of law. Part 13 Trade, Commerce and Intercourse within the territory of India. Articles 301 to 307.
Article 301 Freedom of Trade and Commerce.
Article 302 Power of Parliament to control on trade and commerce. Article 303 Power of the Union and States to trade. Limitation on trade, commerce and intercourse. Article 305 Saving of Exiting Laws.
ఇద్దయ్యమ్మ ఎవరు
Article 306 Power of Container State in Part B of the first schedule. Article 307 Appointment of Authority in Article 301 to 304.
Part 14 Services under the Union and the State. Article 308 to 323.
Chapter 1 Services. Article 300 Interpretation. Article 307 Recruitment and the Condition of Service of People.
Article 310 Tenure of Office of Persons.
Article 311 Dismissal Removal of Employees.
Article 312 All Indian Services.
Article 312 Power of Parliament. Article 313 Transmissional Provisions.
Article 314 Production of existing officers.
Chapter 2 Public Service Commissions. Article 315 Public Service Commission.
Article 316 Appointment and term of office members.
Article 317 Removal and suspension of a member of Public Service Commission members. Article 318 Power to make regulations. Article 390 Prohibition of Commission members. Article 320 Functions of Public Service Commission. Article 321 Power of Public Service Commission.
Article number 322 Experience of Public Services Commissions.
Article 323 Reports of Public Service Commission.
Part 14A Tribunals. Article 323A to 323B. Article 323A Administrative Tribunals. Article 323B Tribunals for other matters. Part 15 Election. Article 324 to 329A. Article 324 Supervision, Direction and Control of Elections. Article 325 Eligibility for alphabetical roll. Article 326 Elections to the Parliament and Assembly. Article 327 Power of Parliament on State Elections. Article 328 Election Power of Respect to State. Article 329 Courts. Article 329 Courts Involvement in Elections. Article 329A special elections to Parliament, Prime Minister and Speakers.
Part 16 special provisions to relating to certain classes. Article 330 reservations of seats for scheduled caste and tribes.
Article 331 representation of the Anglo-Indian community.
Article 332 reservation of seats for SC/STs for assembly.
Article 333 representation of Anglo-Indian community for states. Article 334 reservation of seats allotment. Article 335 claims of SC/STs to census.
Article 336 special provision for Anglo-Indian. Article 337 educational grants for Anglo-Indian.
Article 338 National Commission for SCs.
Article 338 National Commissions for STs. Article 338B National Commission for Backwards.
Article 339 control of the union over the STs welfare.
Article 348 Commission for Backward Classes. Article 341 Scheduled Caste.
Article 342 Scheduled Tribes. Article 342A backward classes.
Part 17 Official Language. Article 343 to 351.
Chapter 1 Languages Union. Article 343 Official Language of the Union.
Article 344 Parliament of Official Language.
Article 335 State Language.
Article 346 Official Language for State and Union.
Article 347 Special Language for State.
Article 348 Language for Supreme Court and High Courts.
Article 349 Special Law for Languages.
Article 350 Language for Redress.
Education in Mother Tongue.
Article 350.
Article number 350A Education in Mother Tongue.
Article number 350B Special Auxiliary Language.
Article 351 Hindi Language Development.
Part 18 Emergency Provisions. Article 352 to 360. Article 352 Emergency. Article 353 Affection of Article 353 Affection of Language.
Article 354 Revenue System in Emergency.
Article 355 Union Protection to States.
Article 356 Failure of Concession in States.
Article 357 Schedule of Power. Article 358 Suspension of Article 19 Emergency.
Article 359 Suspension of Right during Emergency. Article 353A Application of this Part-2 Punjab.
Article 360 Financial Emergency. Part 19 is called as Article 361 Production of Part 19 is called as Article 361 Production of Presidents and the Government. Article 361A Production of Parliament and Assemblies.
Article 361B Discuss Failures of Political Post.
Article 362 Rights of State Rulers.
Article 363 Laws and Disputes and Agreements.
Article 363 Recognition of State Rulers.
Article 364 Laws to Mayor First.
Article number 365.
Article 365 Direction by the Union. Article 365 Difference of Difference. Article 366 Differentiation of. Article 367 The Protection. Article 368 Power of Parliament.
Article number 369 Temporary Power of two Parents.
Article 370. Article 370 Temporary Provision to Jammu and Kashmir. Article number 371, special provision to Maharashtra and Gujarat.
Article 371, special provisions to Nagaland. Article 371 is special Article 371B special provision to Assam. Article 371C special provisions to Manipur.
Article 371D, special provision to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.
Article 371E Central University to Andhra Pradesh.
Article number 371F, special provision to Sikkim.
Article 371G special provisions to Mizoram.
Article 371H, special provisions to Arunachal Pradesh.
Article 371I special provisions to Goa.
Article 371J, special provisions to Karnataka.
Article 372 Force of Law. Article 372A President Laws. Article 373 Prevent. Article 373 Power of President to prevent detention.
Article number 374, provisions as to judges of the federal court and proceedings pending in the federal court are before His Majesty in council.
Article number 375 courts, authorities and officers to continue functions subject to the provisions of the Constitution.
Article number 376, provision as to judges of High Court. Article number 377, provision as to Comptroller and Auditor General of India.
Article number 378 provisions as to public service commissions.
Article 378, a special provision as to duration appointment to the Legislative Assembly. Article 379 to 391 omitted.
Article number 382 power of the President to remove difficulties.
Part-2 short title commencement authoritative test in Hindi and written. Article number 393 short title. Article number 394 commencement. Article number 394A authoritative test in Hindi language. Article number 395 repeats.